Good evening, boys and girls. This is Miss Ghostin coming to you guys inside your home. All right, so today we're going to talk a little about elements. Our essential question, which is, what are the properties of elements? Let's see at the end of the lesson, are you able to answer the question? The vocabulary words are element, atomic number, isotope, average atomic mass, and the periodic table. What are elements? Everything around you is made of elements, boys and girls. Even you yourself is made of elements. Element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into a simpler substance, boys and girls. For an example, take the human body. The human body is made mostly of water, which is H2O. Water is not an element because it can be broken into a simpler substance, such as 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. So, water is not an element, boys and girls. Every element has a symbol that is 1 or 2 letters long, boys and girls. As we discussed in class, boys and girls, remember when we write our symbols, we have to make sure we write them correctly. For example, hydrogen symbol is capital H, boys and girls. Oxygen symbol is capital O, and copper's symbol is capital C, lowercase u, boys and girls. Remember, the first letter is always capitalized. No matter what we write, it's always capitalized. The symbols are used in chemical formulas. Each element has atoms consisting of a specific number of protons, a specific number of neutrons, and a specific number of electrons, boys and girls. An element is identified by the number of protons contained in each of its atoms. For an example, if we was to discuss the element of hydrogen, we know that there is 1 proton found in that element. So I can recognize hydrogen by the number of protons. Here are more examples, boys and girls. Oxygen atoms contain 8 protons, so I can recognize oxygen element as 8 protons. Nitrogen atom contains 7 protons. All right, boys and girls, this is where we're going to stop. Remember, boys and girls, you can stop your video, you can pause, you can rewind, you can forward, boys and girls, until you master your vocabulary words. Thank you, boys and girls, and have a good evening.